I remember those days.
Ngikhumbula lezo nsuku.
You know what? It was all about God.
Bekungendaba
It was all about God.
bekuNkulunkulu kuphela.
You know, sometimes rural life is good. It separates you from this modern life. Sometimes it's good.
Iyakuvimba entweni
It trains you.
iyakufundisa.
The reason why sometimes you don't have a car is because God knows you are safe.
Isizathu uNkulunkulu lapho ungenamoto uNkulunkulu sakubona uphephile.
Some of you, they don't have those big phones to see pornography. You are safe.
Aninawo namafoni ukuthi nibone le nto esile.
Pray for yourself, pray for your life, pray for
Thandazela
every
impilo
part of
yakho,
your body.
thandazela yonke into ehlangene nawe.
Okay. God, when He is, can take your seats. I'm a soldier. I command you to stand up. I can command you to sit down. Okay. The reason why I'm teaching you this subject,
Isizathu kungani ngimfundisa leso sifundo.
when you see, when God wants to see, when God sees, He sees through your eyes.
uNkulunkulu make
Okay.
bona ubona
When
ngawe
God speaks, He speaks even through your mouth.
uNkulunkulu makakhuluma
So
ukhuluma
your body
ngowakho.
is more like an instrument
Umzimba wakho
which
uyi-instrument.
God operates through.
uNkulunkulu awusebenzisayo.
When He wants to touch, He uses your hand.
Makafuna ukubamba ubamba isandla sakho. Yes.
If you want to go, if He wants to go and speak somewhere, He can go with you
Uhamba
using your
nawe
legs.
asebenzisa inyawo zakho.
Okay? If He wants to increase people on earth,
Makafuna
He
ukwandisa
uses your
abantu.
organs.
Usebenzisa izitho zakho.
You hear me?
Yes.
So you need to respect someone's property.
Kumele sikwazi ukuhlonipha
Respect someone's tools.
izinto zomnikazi.
When you are a steward,
Thina sabafundi.
you are a steward. You need to take care of your body.
Kumele sikwazi
You don't do whatever you want. You don't belong to yourself. You belong to God.
awuyibusi umzimba ngokaNkulunkulu.
So you cannot like, I will do whatever I want. You know, kunama rights la. Kunama rights not before God. These are rights on earth in your country, but not in heaven.
Lamalungelo asemhlabeni lawo hayi phambi kaNkulunkulu.
I know uzodelela laba ama-parents wakho uzobatshela ukuthi mina ngizolala where I want. It's fine, but not
Kulungile
before
utshela
God.
umzali ukuthi ngizoya la ngithanda khona ngesikhathi.
Brethren, God has a way of doing things. Your parents have got their ways of doing things. It's either you follow your parents' way or you follow God's way.
Wena uzolandela uNkulunkulu ngendlela yakhe.
You see these things that I'm teaching you.
Lezi zinto engifundisa zona
As we were blessed,
thina
my
besifusisekile.
parents died when I was young.
Abazali bami bashona
But
sisesemncane.
pastors had to nurture me
Abafundisi
to become a
bangifundisa
better boy.
bangenza umfana ongcono. Abafundisi
Because my grandmother was a drunkard.
ugogo wami mina
She would go
bekayidala
to drink 4 days. She don't come back.
bekahamba etshwaleni 4 days
Pastors
angajikanga.
were there to correct me,
Abafundisi
to nurture me.
bangiqondisa.
Because a pastor is your mentor. He's somebody who can rebuke you.
Umfundisi wakho
I'm trying to
ofundisayo
teach you these
oqondisayo.
things because God wants to have a fellowship.
Ngiyanibonisa ngoba
He
uNkulunkulu
wants to have
uyamthanda.
time with you.
Ufuna ukuba
He
nesikhathi
wants to
nawe.
hug you.
Ufuna ukuthi akugone.
But for him to hug you, you are already hugged already with
Abaza
somebody.
ugone uNkulunkulu.
God wants to have a fellowship.
uNkulunkulu ufuna ukuba nobudlelwane.
This closeness with you.
Ube nobudlelwane naye.
But for him to do that,
Ukuze yena akwazi kwenza lokho,
your body is the entry gate.
umzimba
the
wakho
spirit
ula
inside.
angena khona.
If your body doesn't allow him,
If uNkulunkulu
he will remain
angavumeli,
outside.
uzohlala ngaphandle.
I don't know.
Angazi
Am I right,
niyazizwa.
Pastor today? Your body is like
Umzimba
a
wakho
true.
ufana
Most
njengebona.
of us, we are not sensing even if God is there or is not there.
Abanye
Because
asibuzwa noma
our
ekhona noma
bodies are a
engekho.
hindrance
Ngoba
to
imizimba
the move of the Spirit of God.
ukuthi ivimbe ukuhamba komoya
After
kaNkulunkulu.
doing your lula,
Emva
you
sokwenza
come
izinto
to church,
zakho.
you sing for worship.
Uza esontweni
And then
uya
God is not
worship.
there, everything is
Usola
time.
ubonakele kuphi kanti uNkulunkulu wakhona.
See these things that I'm telling you. We cannot cheat God.
Asikwazi
He is very
ukuthi
big.
uNkulunkulu yena mkhulu kakhulu.
Your heart must tell you, Mina, I'm not okay today.
Kumele inhliziyo yakho ikutshele
I
ukuthi
need other
namhlanje
people to
akufanele.
minister to me
Ngidinga
so that I get revived in my spirit.
ukuze
But
bangivuselele.
pride will take you to the pulpit and you begin to do everything.
Wenze yonke into.
Let me